Some paintings start with a whisper, but this one started with a spark. Today I'm pouring a deep black base, a color that challenges every other pigment to rise above it. On top of that, I added Pyrrole red and light magenta, two powerful shades that create their own kind of fire when they meet. I wanted this painting to feel dramatic. I wanted contrast, energy, emotion. That moment when colors pushes back against the dark and refuses to disappear. Black gives you that. It forces your colors to show their true strength. There's something timeless about the way red pops off of a black base. It doesn't whisper, it announces itself. Even when it's just a simple puddle of paint, the contrast is powerful. The black pulls the eye inward, grounding everything, while the red rises forward with fire and intention. Together, they create moments that feel bold, dramatic, and impossible to ignore. I pour the Purell red puddle first, letting it anchor the piece. Then I will take the light magenta and pour it next to the red puddles, knowing the two would blend into something bold and unpredictable. With a blow dryer, I will then push the colors outward, letting the air move the paint into soft waves and fiery shapes. And then there are the pink puddles, soft, delicate, but full of life. When they land on the canvas, they don't fight for attention, they glow. Pink moves differently than red. It spreads with a gentler confidence, drifting into the black and creating these beautiful, mesmerizing shapes. It lightens the entire mood of the piece, adding softness to the intensity. Those pink puddles are like breath, little breaths of color that open up the whole painting. Pyrrole red is a high strength pigment. It stays vibrant even against a heavy black base. Light magenta, on the other hand, is softer, brighter, and spreads wider. When you lay these colors together, you get contrast, glow, and emotion all at once. The blow dryer lets you sculpt that motion, stretching the pigments without mixing them into mud. When you look at this piece, what do you see? A flame, a shape, an emotion? Let me know in the comments. I love hearing your interpretations. The blow dryer becomes my guide, pushing the paint just enough to reveal hidden shapes and movement. With every sweep of air, the colors stretch, soften, and bloom into something entirely unexpected. One thing you'll notice in my process is that I always use a torch. The torch isn't for burning the paint, it's for releasing the trapped air bubbles that form when you mix your colors with pouring medium. Those tiny bubbles rise to the surface and can leave holes or craters in your painting if they're not removed. The heat from the torch gently warms the top layer of paint, popping the air bubbles and helping the paint settle smoothly. It also helps active cells in certain techniques, especially when you're working with paints that have silicone or naturally high reactive pigments. So if you ever wonder why artists use a torch, that's the reason. It's all about creating a cleaner, more professional finish. As we move in closer, you can really see how the pink and red and black work together. Pink brings softness, red brings intensity, and black gives everything a sense of mystery and contrast. When these colors sit side by side, they create a natural rhythm: light against dark, warmth against shadow. And here's the final result: bold, intense, alive, with movement. The red and magenta didn't just sit on the canvas, they claimed it. If you enjoyed this pour, be sure to like and subscribe. And remember to stay creative and keep painting your life with the colors that inspire you.